Three things will last forever: faith, hope, and love. And the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13:13. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chakayla. If you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I relax my hair. I hope you guys can see it. You guys will be able to see it better towards the end of this video. But I forgot to film my intro before I left the house. I'm on my way to brunch with my sisters, so yeah, just wanted to show you guys and make this intro. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Okay, so initially when I was getting my sew-in, I was going to have a leave out right here. Might be able, I don't know if you can tell. You can't. But right here, so this part and even like my edges are already permed. So I'm gonna try my best to avoid it. But the rest of my hair has not been permed. So yeah, I need to do the back. And yeah, I'm really excited because it's been a minute. But yeah, let's get this started. So I'm gonna let this process for about 3 to 5 minutes. It's already kind of burning. Yeah, my scalp is just really sensitive. Most people can let this sit on for 5 to 8 minutes. But even when like in the salon, my mom only processes my hair for about 5 minutes because my hair just processes really fast. So I'll be back once this is all rinsed out. Alright, y'all, so I just washed out the perm. She's all silky. Now thought I was gonna mold my hair tonight, but I ain't about to do that. I'm about to rinse my hair jet black. I mean, it's already kind of black, but we want her to be jet black, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna just put some Vaseline again on my sides, just so, because I'm about to sleep with this on because I'm tired. It is 12:48 and yeah, I'm about to put this on. I'm gonna sleep with it on and then I'm gonna rinse it out tomorrow. So it's the next day. This morning I rinsed my hair and I conditioned it with like the conditioner that they gave me and then like some suave conditioner. Now I'm about to blow dry my hair and then I'm gonna mold it. So yeah, y'all, I'm excited. So now I'm about to blow my hair, sit underneath the dryer, and then we're gonna come back later to slay.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music blasting, but I just can't quit because one of these honeys Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. Style and grace. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave. Throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi, smoke L's while you do. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. To all the ladies in the place with style and grace. Style and grace. In mansion and Benzes, giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream, fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gat strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking line optimals. Money, hoes, and clothes, all a nigga knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, coochie sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe they can't. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when we thought that you and me could never be together. That's why we should have never said never. Said never. Whatever thought I got, wanna Are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks again. You guys have a great and blessed day. Bye.